Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this Lexus. This is 2017 Is350 F Sport. So if you have a similar one, follow along. First, what you want to do is remove the wheel. You either have a tool that's in the trunk. I'm using the 21mm easy access. So what you want to do first, remove this pin right here, right in here. If you want to rotate it, you can push it and then take that pin off right here. So if you're just changing the brakes, all you gotta do is take this pin out right here. This one comes off, then this out. This plate comes off, and then there's your brake pads. But before you take them out, you can squish it both sides so the new ones will fit and this one will come out easier. Take them out, put new ones in, put the wheel on, and the pins are in, and you're good to go. But I'll be replacing the brake pads and also the rotors. So if you want to stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how to replace the rotor as well. Once you push them out, these should be easier to come off. Remember how you took it off so you can put it in? Just like this. This one's really bad. Scraping the metal. And then this one on this side. And then put the new one. If they don't fit, try to compress it more. The calipers. And then they should fit, and then put it back how you took it off. But I'll also be taking this caliper off to remove the rotor. So if you want to take off the caliper, you have two bolts in the back. You have one right here, right in there, and this one right here. That's one of them, and one on the bottom. And this one right here. So one on the bottom and one on top. So for these caliper bolts, I'm using 17mm, and I'm using like a bucket to rest it on. Maybe you can use a big zip tie. That's what works for me. And to take this rotor off, you could try it, maybe tapping it lightly. But the best way to do it is put the bolt screw in that fits in here. I would recommend probably using both of them. I only have one here and one on this side. Screw it in and that should push it off. Maybe you can top it with the rubber mallet, and it should come off. Depends how hard yours or how old it is. But if you screw it in, it should pop. But just for safety reasons, I like to put the bolts in here. The nuts. Just one, or I like to put two. Just don't screw them all the way in. Leave some room, little gap. So if that dust kind of shoots out or backs off, you won't go too far. And then take them off. What I like on mine, when you put the new one in, screw this in. That way when you install the caliper, it doesn't move around. Then you can take it off just by hand. Then install the caliper, put those two bolts in, and then install the brake pads. Before installing the calipers, make sure you push those out. I use the C-clamp, just like this. Push them out on both hands. Once you do that, you're ready to install it. So this one goes in here, just like this. Slides in. I grease the back side. Make sure you don't grease the front, obviously. The back side where the metal is. Then what you want to do is put this in just as is, like this. What you're going to do is put this pin from the back. Push on this so this fits. Fits all the way in. Then you take this pin and you put it inside here. Make sure it's holding. That's how it should look. Something like this. And that should be it. All you gotta do is remove these and then install your wheel and you're done. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. That'll help me a bunch to grow this channel and post more content. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.